Today's last Group B match is between Croatia and Albania. Both teams are out of the knockout stages, but both teams are playing for pride. Nobody wants to go home without a single win. Should be a good game for fans. The game is about to start. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. And we have the first goal from Croatia. Nice strike to the side of the goal. Croatia 1-0 up. Croatians applying the pressure. And they have scored again. Nice goal through the 2 defenders. The defender tried to stop it, but it was too late. Croatia 2-0 up. And Albania has put one back. Nice individual work from the striker. Croatia 2-1 up. Oh, the Croatia striker found the goal. An unlucky bounce and the striker pounced on it. Croatia 3-1 up. Both teams playing it very tightly in the middle. And Croatia almost scoring. Albania applying the pressure. Oh, and Albania somehow managed to get the ball in. It looks like it ricocheted off the defender. A tight game at 3-2. Oh, and a beautiful long shot from Croatia. From the defending line, all the way into goal. Croatia 4-2 up. And another easy one for Croatia. Nice work there from the striker. But where is the defending? At this midway point, let me explain how we train the AI models that control the players. For each team, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games its model gets to train on. Croatia is ranked 10th, and their AI model is trained on 1.65 million games. Albania is at 62nd, and its model is trained against 0.85 million games. It's a sizable gap, and we should see that in the scoreline. And we join back the game at Croatia 5, Albania 2. Oh, nice clearance there from the defender. And Croatia has scored. A nice play from the defender, clearing the ball on one side and immediately counter-attacking and scoring on the other side. Croatia is 6 up. And another quick goal from Croatia, making it 7. Straight from the kickoff. Croatia is now 7 up. Both teams playing very tightly there, not letting go of the ball. Well, both teams are not getting the ball now. And the clear ball, and the Croatian striker have scored. An unclaimed ball. The first one there was the Croatian striker picking up the ball and scoring. Croatia now 2 points away from winning. Nice defending them from Croatia, clearing the ball. And loose ball, and guess who is there? The Croatian striker. Again, a nice counter-attack, clearing on one end and scoring at the other. Match point for Croatia. And a nice clearance there again, and almost getting the counter-attack. Albania striking again, and somehow they got it in from the midway line. Straight into goal. Is this a consolation point? Another match point for Croatia. I can't see how the Albanians are going to come back from this. Nice clearance again from the defender. Oh, and somehow managed to get it in to goal. It was a bit messy, but somehow the Croatian striker managed to get it in and sealing the game for Croatia. This is a game of pride, and Croatia showed us their best football. They look in total control from the beginning of the game till the very last. And let's look at the final standing of Group B. Italy is on top with 9 points. Italy and Spain are going through. Croatia is on third with the win just now, and Albania is at the bottom. Group C matches are coming up soon, with England, Denmark, Serbia and Slovenia all in action. So stay subscribed.